Man, every time I post, you got TJ in the comments dropping that straight positivity, man. No agenda, no hate, just positive vibes, man. TJ, thank you. I'm serious, guys. We need way more people just like you in this space. Y'all go check out TJ's podcast. It's called Cast. He's the real deal, man. So his comment says, yes, sir, the housing market will take off again. And he is right. Let me decode what that means for us crypto people. It's not the charts that's going to be breaking out. It's the liquidity. You've got Trump Pump 2.0. I made a video on that. Stocks boom. Everything moves up. Markets move. You've got cash flowing into homes and businesses and investments. And that's what's going to pump our crypto bags, man. That's why I'm in position now. That's why I keep buying. And I'm in the same boat. I've got a rental house that I'm trying to sell for over 40 days now. I know TJ has one in Florida that's affected by this. But, man, when this system flips and this money starts flowing like it's supposed to, man, XRP included, that's when everything, your assets move. This freeze just kind of ends like lightning, man. But anyway, shout out to TJ for always supporting me, and y'all go follow the man's podcast here. TJ's got some vision.